everyone, today we're going to build a kiwis. And now, let's open it. Kiwi instructions. And I don't know why I'm singing. So, place the stem right. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Let's get these out. So, what do we do is place the legs. Now, put them here. Oh, good thing. Okay, so you're putting them inside here. Now, the other one. Yeah, it looks. Those are still the feet. Then we put this. Well, those are not the feet. These are the legs. No, that's pretty confusing. I'm just gonna build and build. So, I pretty much need help. So, I need somebody to help me. Maybe the kingfisher will. What we do is turn around, fix 3 pieces of the body with this. Get this out. So, okay, we're gonna put this stuff in here so we can place the wings. Oh, now the kiwi has to be like this. Then we put the kiwi in its legs, like, I don't know. This may take a while. What we do is place this. Place his legs here. Oh no, I have. Okay, now we put a beak. Now some big eyeballs. Nice eyeballs. And that's the end of the short little video. Making a kiwi bird. So the next video will be in Wildcraft and I hope you like it. Well, please subscribe. Bye.